My name is Sarah Wallace. I'm the Sales Support Manager at the Mast Group Limited, based in Liverpool. We're one of the UK's leading independent European manufacturers and supplier of clinical diagnostic products. We were established in 1957 and we're now a multinational company exporting globally. We were one of the first companies to put antibiotics into paper discs and continue to work with major pharmaceutical companies worldwide in the development of new and exciting products. We focus on susceptibility, identification and resistance, along with molecular and immunochemistry solutions for the IVD market. This is achieved through investment in the personnel, R&D and infrastructure, including the state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities based here at Merseyside. We have to do customer satisfaction surveys here at Mast as part of our ISO 13485 requirements for our BSI accreditations, and we need to carry these out every 2 years so that when they come in to do accreditations, it is available upon request. It does highlight issues to us that maybe we might not have considered before, and maybe we need to look at improvements, but it has also highlighted areas where we have performed really well. And yeah, I think when you get these surveys done, it's always a case of you look at them with trepidation and you think, oh my goodness, what do people think of us? And on the whole, you'll find actually people quite like you, really. And they're not there to be difficult or awkward, but you can look at your quality, you can look at your technical performances and things like this and see where you do need to improve. I think where the surveys have actually helped us in terms of service delivery is it does actually show you areas where you need to improve, and companies, whoever you are, will always have areas where you need to improve. It highlights where you perform well as well, but also as a result of it, you can look at it and you go, well, actually, and then, we need to do this. And I quite often find with these the results of this survey that in your heart of your heart, you genuinely know that is something you need to have addressed anyway. So just go out there, address it. And as we can see from doing these surveys over the past 6 years, we've been doing them now. It has led to improvements. We can see from the trending and everything else like that, it's upwards. And some of them are only really little simple requirements, simple requests, and you can accommodate them relatively easily. And you have happy customers at the end of it, which is what it's all about. We chose to work with Accelerate to do our customer satisfaction through recommendation, and I have to say we've never been disappointed. The service they've provided has been wonderful. If there's any issues, any problems, we can always talk to one another. We're always, can get on the phone. We seem to be on the same wavelength, and I do actually really look forward to the customer service surveys coming in from Accelerate, because they're well written, they're to the point. Everything you need to look at and address is absolutely highlighted for you. And in terms of my expectations, it's perfect.